Hello everyone, myself Vaishali and I'm a part of Monomosmi team. Today I'm talking to Supriya. She is one of the most talented writer and winner of our essay competition. I want to tell more about Supriya. She completed her Bachelor's of Engineering in Biotechnology from RV College of Engineering and right now she is working at Hull. Her hobbies are writing essays, playing flute, singing and watching TV shows. So today I wanted to get her here to share her insights with us and help our audience to know more tips on writing. Welcome, Supriya.
Thank you, Vaishali. Thank you so much for the good introduction.
So, how are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing good. So, let's start our communication then.
Yeah, sure. Waiting.
Yeah. So, how do you find association with monomosmy services?
Yeah. So basically, during this lockdown, I was just searching through the net if there are so many online essay writing competitions. So I just came across this Manmosami essay competition. It's a really good platform for budding writers like me because it like every month you give different topics and you try to kind of encourage our writing skills and it's such a great platform which really helps us to look forward in those who want to pursue their career in writing as well. It's highly useful for them as well, and we keep on getting updates or mails regarding the different competitions going on, and even during the results also you keep sending mails that no I mean you keep giving us proper intimations regarding the progress of our essay writing, the results, when you'll be announcing, and all those things. And you don't even charge any fees for registration or any such purposes. So it's a really great platform
Thank
for
you. Thank you so much.
this. Yeah.
So, the next thing is what approaches you opt for the writing essays or writing else?
So basically, so whenever I come across any topic, so first I try to, jot down points, what I know about that. And later on, I just start searching if I am right. And then I try to collect more points. I try to collect points from the recent news articles or some of the research papers and review papers as such.
Okay. So, do you face any difficulties while writing?
Oh, definitely yes, because it should be, because if that happens only then you can become a better writer and you can improve yourself. So yeah,
Exactly. True.
basically first is the use of words. Sometimes it becomes very confusing and it becomes very difficult to choose the appropriate word as well. Sometimes you feel like maybe that word might sound better or this might sound better, and framing of sentences also makes a point here. And sometimes in order to limit the words as well, how many words to add and where to add this sentence, that sentence, so it is a problem.
Very true. So, what do you believe? Like, user-friendly writing is more important, or using the high-quality language is more important to write?
I feel user-friendly language is more important because it should reach to everyone. The purpose of writing is not only, just for the sake of writing. It should convey some message and it should be, readable, and everybody should really understand and the way of, everybody should really understand it and, kind of comprehend it instead of, using just hi-fi English and portraying that, I know some better English or something is not the purpose of this. It's just that we try to convey whatever we know in a very subtle manner so that everybody can easily understand that.
Very true. True. So, can you please share your some experience about writing with audience and followed by few tips to write better?
Okay. Yeah, as I already mentioned, my writing passion increased more during the lockdown. So it became that was like a blessing in disguise for me so that I could explore and venture this field as well. Yeah, I was very much interested in writing essays and, writing stories and all. I've been doing this, but not in a very serious note. But yeah, due to this lockdown, it gave an opportunity to try this out. So, Yes, I was just going through, as we all know, internet is like, it's the greatest, I mean, it's a boon and a bane, but if you consider it as a boon, then it has provided us a lot of opportunities to, explore so many things, and it gives us, a lot of avenues to, find something new and explore, and, it also tries to bring out the creativity in us. So in that way, yes. Can you repeat the second part? Yeah, my tips, right?
Yes, for writing.
Yeah. So the thing is, what I feel is like, if you are really interested, and it's not like, if a person is inbuilt or or he or she has the inborn talent only has to write. Any layman can start writing. It's just that you'll have to that motivation and inspirations to start writing. So what I feel is maybe you can just select a random topic and start writing some 5-6 lines on that, and then you can start building. So it eventually, the habit develops. So it's not just that, I can't write or my English is not good. So it's not just English, whatever language, you can start writing in your mother tongue as well. So it's just
Correct.
that you have to just make an attempt to start writing like at least some 5-6 lines, and then it will definitely just build on, and you can be a master in it.
Uh, Great, great tips. Thank you so much. I feel good that you utilize this lockdown period in a very
Yes.
positive way.
Yes, yes, I
That's
actually
amazing,
urge
actually.
everybody to do that because, like this is a golden opportunity everybody has got. So I feel, it has, I mean, it's a really good time so that we never know. In fact, even I didn't know that I can write so well. So it's just because of this, and I started and I made an attempt, even I came to know. So I urge everyone to please, do something like this so that it gives a feeling of rejuvenation, joy, and it gives a really good feeling for us. And yeah, it truly tries to bring the other side of us as well. So I really encourage everybody to do this.
At least we must have to try to attempt something to know
Yes,
more about it, whether we can do it or not, right?
yes, definitely, yes.
Great. So, who is your biggest inspiration in your life?
Okay, so if it comes to writing, then I really adore and like R.K. Narayan, and I've read all his novels. I really appreciate and like the way he, brings the story, the characters, the way he depicts and highlights our culture. It's really nice, and I don't feel like it's some fictional character or something. I really feel it like a real character. So, be it inspiration, I would like to say my family members are my inspiration because they've always been my support in whatever I do, and they always encourage me and instill that courage, hope, and confidence in me. So, they've always been my inspiration.
It's great. Okay, so as you mentioned that your family members are always supportive, so
Yeah.
you are doing a very good in your professional life as well. So, what is
Yes.
basically your goal in your life?
So coming to goal, yeah, as such, like I mean, everybody has big goals and dreams. I just have like kind of short-term goals. It's not that no, I have some goals which have to be achieved, but I plan to first achieve my short-term goals and then try to achieve my long-term goals. So yeah, one of my goals was to participate in some of these essays and try to bring out my talent and kind of participate in different competitions and those things. And my main goal is to do something which is really helpful to society and mankind. I would love to serve the society and mankind.
That is amazing. Actually, many people are thinking in this way only, but I feel that you will achieve your goal very soon.
Sure, thank you.
So, as you mentioned that writing is your hobby, and during this lockdown, you worked on your writing skills. So, do you want to pursue it as your hobby, or you want to make it your career as well?
Yeah, so currently speaking, I would continue it as a hobby, but definitely in the later future, I would definitely take it as my profession. Once I'm, kind of settled in my professional career, I would definitely take that as my full-time career. So now I'll be continuing it as my hobby.
Okay, great. So, any message that you would like to share with the audience?
Yeah, so I would like to say that, we all are definitely facing like bad times, and it's not in our hands. But I would like to say, kind of try to utilize the time which you have got instead of cribbing over what we can't do. It's better, we can use this opportunity to make something good out of it. And it's not like after seeing some person, or after for if everybody has a role model, instead of following the same path what they did, I feel you have to get inspired and motivated by them. And you'll have to try to inculcate such a confidence in you that if that person has done, why can't I? Even I can do it, right? So that is what I would like to say, that always be confident, and be kind of very motivated and inspired to do something new. This is what I would like to say.
It's very good talking to you, Supriya. I learned a lot of things from you as well.
Thank you very much, Vaishali. It was really nice talking to you as well.
Same here. So thank you guys to watch us and stay at home, stay safe. Goodbye, take care. Thank you,
Yeah.
Supriya. Have a
Thank you
nice
so
day.
much. Yeah, wishing everyone good health. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.
Thank you.